My dear students, in this question it is given that in Young's double slit experiment, the distance between two slits is 2 mm and screen is at a distance of 120 centimeter. This is the setup of YDSC, slit S1, this is slit S2. Separation between S1 and S2 is small d. According to question, small d is equal to 2 mm. That means 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. This is the screen and this distance is given by capital D equal to 120 centimeter, that means 1.2 meter. This is the position of central maxima, and suppose this is the position of maxima. If here we get the nth order maxima, then position of nth order maxima is given by y equal to n capital D lambda by small d. Suppose this wavelength is lambda 1 and this wavelength is lambda 2. Then n1 order maxima corresponding to this wavelength will be given by, its position will be given by y1 equal to n1 capital D lambda 1 by small d, and n2 order maxima corresponding to lambda 2 will be at position given by y2 equal to n2 capital D lambda 2 by small d. According to question, these two maximas coincide with each other. N1 order maxima corresponding to this wavelength and N2 order maxima corresponding to this wavelength both coincides with each other. If these two maxima coincides with each other, then y1 equal to y2. y1 equal to y2. Put the value of y1 and y2, we get n1 capital D lambda 1 by small d equal to n2 capital D lambda 2 by small d. On solving this, we get n1 lambda 1 equal to n2 lambda 2. From here, n1 by n2 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. That means n1 by n2 equal to lambda 2 is 5200 upon lambda 1 is 6500. That means n1 by n2 equal to 4 by 5. That means fourth order maxima of corresponding to lambda 1 coincides with fifth order maxima corresponding to lambda 2. Then we have to find out the distance. Then this distance will be given by y equal to, put the value of n1 equal to 4 here. We get y equal to y1 and this will be equal to n1 is 4 into capital D lambda 1 by small d. This will be equal to 4, capital D is 1.2 meter, lambda 1 is 6500. Lambda 1 is 6500 angstrom, then multiply it by 10 raised to power minus 10 meter upon small d. Small d is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meters. From here we get the value in meter, and if we convert this value in centimeter, just keep on calculating this, we get this as 0.156 centimeter. This will be equal to 0.156 centimeter. This is the final answer. Thank you.